Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a certificate design like this in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here guys, I have created this certificate design and give some curvy look to this. So here you can also find this logo. Here you can also see this logo guys. So I have created a separate video tutorial to how to create this type of logo in this PowerPoint. So please go through that logo so that you can have any idea uh, to create this logo very easily. I will put the link of that video in the description, so please check it out. After this you will watch this video. Okay, so without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Just click on insert option. Here you will find a new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here. Now let me show you the size of the slide. So I will click on design option. Here you will find the slide size option. Click on that and choose a custom slide size. Now you can see I am using the A4 paper size, and here I have set the landscape and portrait. So this is what about the setting of the page size guys. So you have to do the same. Okay, now we'll start creating this curve guys. Now I'll start creating this curve. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do, click on insert option guys, and here you will find shape option. Just click on that and choose a rectangle option over here. Now drag a rectangle like this, increase the width to touch the slide, and now make it no outline. Put it over here, drag it over here, right click over here and choose edit point option. Now drag this black dot over here. Okay, now click on this. Now adjust these white handles like this. So I'm going to put it over here. Now click on this black dot and adjust this handle something here. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this blue shape. So I'm going to click on the blue shape and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy. Let me change the shape fill to any of the color so that we can differentiate the two shapes, and after that we will choose a different desired color for this shape. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do, I will decrease the height like this, or I will put it over here like this. Okay guys, so now what you have to do guys, you have to decrease the height like this. Okay, now right click over here, slightly I'm going to decrease the height like this much is good. And now right click over here and choose the edit point option. Just drag this point over here. Okay, and drag it something like this. Drag this point over here and drag this one over here. Now again I'm going to duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl D, and let me change the shape fill to any of the color. Let me choose the blue color yellow color for this. Now put it over here and decrease the height of this shape, like I'm going to do it something this much. Now right click over here, again choose edit point option and drag this dot something here. Drag this handle something here. Okay, now click on this handle and maybe this should be this much. Okay, now our basic shape is ready. Now let me copy the color sample from the previous slide and paste it over here. And now it's time to fill the shape with the different color. So I'm going to fill this shape first. So I'm going to choose a red color for this particular color. And for this shape, what I'm going to use, I will use this black shape. Let me take a reference of that slide. Now guys, you have to make one more strip over here. So we have to make one more strip, guys. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will duplicate this shape again, put it over here and decrease the height like this. Let me change the shape field so that we can see the shape. So I'm going to make it blue and right click over here, choose edit point option and drag this point here. Drag this point something here. You have to do the same thing. Drag this point something here. Now for this shape, what kind of color I'm going to use, I will use the dark black color for this, like this one, this color. So now for the background, what I'm going to use, for the background color, I will use this color. And for this shape, what I'm going to use, I will use the white color for this shape. So I'm going to use this color. Now for this shape, I'm going to provide some shadow effect. So I'm going to click on the shadow. First you have to click on this effect option. After that you have to choose the shadow option. Just choose presets by clicking on preset option over here, and we'll choose this particular presets over here. So you have to increase the size of this presets to, let me change the presets to this one, and after this you have to choose the preset size to this 101 or maybe this one, and you have to increase the distance like this. Just increase the blurriness to this much and choose the color for this one, this color, or maybe some darker color like this one. This one is good. Let me change it more lighter like this. Okay, this color is perfect. So now what you have to do, you just have to copy these elements from the previous slide and paste it over the new slide, guys. So I'm going to press Ctrl C and paste it over here like this. Okay. So now let me show you which type of text I'm using in this particular slide, this particular certificate design. So for this I'm using this particular text and the size is 14. Now for the detailed text over here, I'm using this particular text and size is 10.5. Now for this, I'm using this particular text style and the size is this one. Now for the date and signature, you have to do the same thing. You have to put a line over here and simply you have to put a date and signature over here. Now we'll do the same with the logo. You can see the tutorial. You can just click on the card over here and see the tutorial how to create this logo. Now the final thing we have to do is we have to choose a rectangle over here and drag a rectangle like this to cover the slide like this. Okay. Now after covering this slide, what you have to do, you just have to make an adjustment and cover the slide uniformly, means the width from the all sides should be the same. Okay guys. Now I will choose no fill option. So this no fill option, do the no fill option and provide this line some shadow effect, like I'm going to use this particular shadow effect over here. Now increase the size like this and blurriness to something this much. Okay, so let me change the shape outline fill. So I'm using this line fill over here, or maybe this line fill over here. Okay, so this is how you can create this logo very easily, guys, and very efficiently in the less time. So if you have any query, then please write me in the comment box and I will definitely reply you. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for